Also, this is Winken laser double handles Aresmix diode laser hair remove machine. When you get the machine package, you will see the screen part and the machine body part are separately. So you have to install the machine screen first. Here we can see when you install the screen, you will find there are 4 locations of the screws to tighten the screen. So we have to insert the screw here, use this tool to tighten it. And also there is a wire to connect the screen and the machine body. We also need to connect this wire well. Then the screen will be installed well. The second step is you have to install the handle piece. Here we can see there are 2 handle holders besides the machine, this part and this part. So we have also to screw the handle holders first. Just use this tool to tighten the screws on the handle holder is okay. Then we have to install the handles on the back of the machine. There are 2 handle interfaces. So first you can see there are buttons on the handle piece. When you insert the handle piece well, you have to switch this button to tighten the handle. So that's all steps of the machine installations. Before we turn on the machine, it's necessary for us to add the machine water first. So we have to first prepare some water. The water quality should be the deionized water or the distilled water. And we should also prepare a bowl for the actual water flow comes out from the machine. There are 2 tubes we will send together with the machine package. They are necessary tools when we add in the machine.
Sure.
It's better to put the both handle piece down on the ground. This way, we ensure the water flows more smoothly to the water inside. Then we see this tube is with the funnel. This tube we have to insert to the inlet here. When we see a click, that means it's inserted well. Then this tube, we insert it to the overflow. And let it turn to the bowl we prepared first. Then we start adding the water to the machine. Make sure the location of the funnel is higher than the inlet to let the water comes very smoothly. It usually need about 6 liters of the water. When we see here we have the water comes out from the machine, that means we can stop adding water. The water is enough.
Sure.
For diode laser machine, it's necessary for our client to change the water every 3 months at least. This is good for the machine maintenance and long-time using. If we want to drain out the water, we have to use these tubes again. One tube insert to the inlet and another tube insert to the outlet. Then water will come out from the outlet and we add the water according to the previous stage. 2 buttons on the machine. This is the emergency button. It's for some emergency situations. You can press this button to stop the machine operation. If we want to turn on the machine, we need to make sure this button is released and then switch the keys. First is the welcome page. We click it, we'll get the 2 handles. the left one trio. That means we're using this small spot size handle to do the treatment. And if we use this Trato 3D, that means we use this bigger spot size handle. So you can, according your customer's situation, to choose the handle types. For example, we choose the triple. Here we got the parameters. On the left is the treatment size. On the right, there shows 1 to 6 different skin types, skin colors. And on the middle, there are treatment areas for us to choose. This is the front area, and this is the back. This is for the face. First, we have to choose the size, and then we choose the skin type. Finally, we choose the treatment area. Then we go into the parameter page. We can see 3 different working modes here. The SHR stack, SHR, and HR. So we can give some keywords for these 3 working modes. The first is SHR stack. The keywords for it is for the small treatment areas, because under this working mode, we have to adjust the fluorescence. It's only from 1 to 8, and the stack, we can adjust it from 1 to 5. And this is the energy. Energy means the total energy we have used for this treatment. We can see the fluorescence is just from 1 to 8, so this is specially used for small treatment areas like mouth around. And next is the SHR working mode. The keywords for this working mode is the skin resolution, because here we can adjust the fluorescence, the energy, and the grid size. The fluorescence on this parameter is 1 to 10 joules can be adjusted, and the energy means the total energy we use for this treatment. The grid size is for the treatment area size. For example, we do the face skin resolution. We have to measure the treatment size first. If we set at this, then it will generally give some suggestions on the energy directly, and also the time, the total time we used for this treatment area. We don't need to adjust. If your customer can feel the higher energy, then we just need to increase the energy here. It's fine. The third working mode is the HR working mode. The keyword for this working mode is the fast hair removal, because here we can adjust the fluorescence and the frequency. The fluorescence range is higher, so it's more suitable for the big treatment areas, and the frequency can be adjusted from 1 to 20 Hz. This way, we can achieve a very fast sliding hair removal. So if you are a professional and experienced operator, we suggest you use HR working mode to achieve a fast hair removal. If we want to start the treatment, we just need to press this to start the treatment. And if we want to stop, press this again to adjust the parameters or stop the treatment. We can see on the left there are 3 buttons. Home means we back to the first home page, welcome page. Back means we come to the previous page. Reset means we go into the original parameter the system suggestion. If we want to see the backstage or change the languages, we can press here on the top of the right corner. Press it some seconds, we will get this page. Here we can see the first line is the total shots of the this handle, trill handle used. The second line means the total shots of the Qtrol 3D handle used. And there are the first one. That means the water flow speed under present situation. The HD temperature means the handle piece temperature. The WT temperature means the present water temperature. Here we can set different kinds of languages. There are total 8 languages for your choice. And here we can control the button sound. The right page we have to ignore because this is professional for the engineer backstage. We don't need to adjust this. Before the hair removal treatment, it's necessary to let your customers shave hair 2 to 3 days in their home before the treatment. Now we take the customer's arm as an example. Set the parameter. Select this handle, trill small spot size handle. The middle treatment size and per customer per skin type is 3. And choose the arm. Then we go into the parameter page. Press here, then start the treatment. Both the operator and the patients need to wear the glasses during the treatment to protect our eyes. And before treatment, we have to apply a layer of cooling gel on the treatment area. Then we press the button here to start the treatment. We can see the hair is small. The hair is burnt and we can smell some smelling. If your customers feel the energy is good, we can continue to do the treatment. If she feels energy is not good or is higher, we can adjust the parameter on the screen again according to your customer's situation. Continue to the sliding treatment until we can observe that the skin is become redness. Then we can stop the treatment. So above we have showed you some simple and basic steps of hair removal treatment. Vulcan Laser will also offer you the detailed user manual and this kind of parameter table, suggested table. So you will know how to set the parameters based on different treatment areas. If you have further questions, you can contact your sellers to get the detailed online training. So that's all. Thanks for choosing Vulcan Laser hair removal machine. Hope we can have more and more cooperations.